Hey, the Gadget Man here with nothing but gadgets, and today I'm going to be talking about this QDH Cool Mist Humidifier. Alright guys, this Cool Mist Humidifier was sent to me by the QDH company, and it's a little bit of a departure from my normal gadget reviews. I'm really simply doing this one because actually I wanted this thing. It's wintertime where I live, and it's dry, and I get a lot of I have bad sinuses and stuff when the air gets dry and the heater's on and stuff like that. So I'm always having a lot of stuff in my throat that I have to clear, and every morning coughing, get up with a bunch of crud in my throat. So I had been talking about getting a humidifier to kind of help with that. And lo and behold, QDH approached me with this offer here. So I said, hey, I'll be glad to do a review for you. So I'm going to test this baby out on myself because I'm hoping that it'll help me with my, with the crud that I'm getting this time of the year. But anyways, let's break it out of the box and see what it looks like. Looks nice, very lightweight. Here comes that off right there, and then not much to it. I guess it's about a gallon that it holds here. What does it say on the box? It says 3.5 liter. Yeah, it's about a gallon. Well, let me put some water in it here and see exactly what it does. Alright, so you see we've got some water in it here. Let's go ahead and turn it on. And boy, it starts producing this mist pretty fast. It's nice and cool. Putting that in the air. You've got it's on low. You can turn it to medium and then to high. Whoa, that's putting out a lot of mist there. Little fog machine here. Yeah, it's pretty cool. It does a really good job. Works really fast. You've got some timer settings over here on this side if you want to set time on it. But I'm going to give this thing a try tonight. See if it try out and clear up on some of this crud that I've got from this dry air. So, man, it looks really good. And very simple to use. Very, very nice looking unit here. So hopefully it'll help me out. Well, it's a nice little unit. It does what it says it'll do. Easy to use, looks good, and produces a lot of cool mist here. I'm going to give it a try and see if it'll clear up my crud, help me breathe a little better at night. So I'm excited about that. And one thing, just a note of caution here, that these units work a lot better if you use highly filtered water, purified water with no minerals. I like to use RO water or distilled water. They'll last a lot better if you don't put minerals and stuff in them. But that's what I use, RO water. Anyways, well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have, please like, subscribe, and comment. Until next time, this is the Gadget Man saying, I'll see you later.